So hi guys, today I'm going to conduct a water sampling. But before I'm going to do the water sampling, I assure that I'm wearing a proper PPE, which is glove and closed shoes. So hi guys, here is a water sample. So before we collect the sample, we have to rinse the bottle 3 times with river water for avoid the contamination. So we rinse it 3 times. Okay, then I submerge the bottle into the below the water surface about 15 to 30 centimeters. And then we fill the water, and then we fill the sample until it completely full. To avoid the bubble, we close the cap in the water tightly. So here is our water sample. So after collect sample, we put it in the Ziploc bag and seal it. And then we store it in the ice box to maintain the original state.
Hi guys, today I will demonstrate vendor sampler. It is used to collect water sample in mid-depth area. So first of all, don't forget to wear your glove. Okay, first open both of vendor water sampler and seal by pulling the elastic band and make sure the snap is hooked secure. So make sure the hook is secure. And then I slowly submerge the sampler into the river. And then I release the messenger. Tadi baca tekau. Tadi juga. Akak benda ni. Okay dah. And then I pull the sampler out from the river. And then empty the sampler carefully by opening both drain valve at the end to transfer sampler into clean water sample.
Itulah. Enggak boleh.
Okay.
Betul.
By hand. And then I transfer the sampler into Ziploc plastic and put in the ice box.
Hi guys, so lastly, I'm going to demonstrating to you guys full grab sampler. Full grab sampler is used to take sample when the water is not accessible. Okay, first we need to rinse the glass bottle with water sample. First, attach the glass bottle to the pole. Okay, submerge it into the water. Okay, then pull up the string. Okay, let water fill in the glass. Repeat again to take the water sample. Touch the bottle to the pole. Submerge the water. And then pull the string. And then take the sample. Put it in the bottle sample. Fill it until full. And then close the tip tightly. And then put the sample into the double Ziploc bag and then put into the cool box. That's all.